We're here at the Pride Festival and we're finding out what people are really scared of. So we're doing a haunted house based on the five senses. So what sound would scare you the most?
Sound? When, honestly, knocking on a door, I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, a baby crying or a kid screaming.
Probably no sound.
Oh!
Yeah, complete silence. Definitely pretty creepy.
I'd say probably a giant roar that's like from like a giant monster that you probably hear like from a video game.
Oh,
Oh.
ghosts scare your feelings?
Wow, that is the best answer ever. What sound would a ghost make?
You make a ghost sound?
No. Okay, yeah, fair. And the answers are amazing. Everyone is so creative. And we can't wait to put these actual fears into our actual show.
The ghost theater, your feelings.
Oh!